HIPAA does not apply to schools because HIPAA was intended to make sure that fax machines in doctors' offices were not sending medical information to the wrong places. HIPAA applies to doctors. HIPAA applies to medical providers. HIPAA doesn't apply to educators. What does apply to educators is another law with another similar acronym, FERPA, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, which is actually older. HIPAA was passed in 1996. FERPA, the Buckley Amendment, was passed in 1974. Both, at times, may involve medical information, but HIPAA is not our consideration, FERPA is. Let's continue to maintain the confidentiality of student information, particularly what might be medical, but unless our schools are selling medical services, HIPAA is not our concern. The misconception about HIPAA applying to schools or FERPA applying to schools may lead to problems in not looking at the right law for guidance. FERPA clearly identifies the kind of information that it protects. FERPA clearly identifies the kind of individuals that can access information and the circumstances in which they may access information. So it's important to remember FERPA applies to schools, not HIPAA. I don't know if the misconception leads to a problem other than perhaps nurses misunderstanding what law may apply, be it HIPAA or FERPA. That said, our nurses traditionally know exactly what's what and what forms they need and are super careful about student confidentiality. May lead to stress, may lead to confusion, but I think the biggest consideration is knowing which law to follow so that we get it right.